Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, here to tell you about another exciting gun show we're going to this weekend. And that's October 16th and 17th in Saratoga Springs, New York. Now, yes, great time of year to be visiting New York if you haven't. The area is all just full of color, okay, this time of year. But for that reason and that reason alone, we're going to have a great gun show in Saratoga Springs, New York. So come on down, come see me, stop by, say hello. I'm going to have a whole lineup of things to offer for you. The gun show is going to be great. As a matter of fact, the last gun show in Saratoga, I even bought myself a new pistol. So lots of great vendors there as well. So come on down, say hello. I'll be there. That's this Saturday and Sunday, October 16th and 17th at Saratoga Springs City Center in Saratoga Springs, New York. This is FirearmPop. Be safe out there and God bless. Bye now.